Rooftop HVAC repair with $1 million view. HVAC unit is on the rooftop. Seized inducer motor, causing the unit to stop working or locking out. While we're there, we took the liberty of doing a preventive maintenance service. You'll see later in the video, we do a combustion test. We adjust the gas valve. We really put every effort into it. We want to do it right. And this is what we do in every service call. So keep watching, see how we do that. Inducer motor, complete preventive maintenance, and verify how we test the performance of this unit on the rooftop. This is day in, day out for us. Anytime we're touching gas, and anything, any fossil fuel, we replace some major component, we're testing it. We're not leaving any room for guesswork. I'm just admiring the city now. The best city in the world, New York City. It's nice. Once in a while, we enjoy going to work or doing this work because it's on a rooftop. It was fairly mild. The temperature wasn't too cold out that day. It was nice to be out there. I was bundled up. I had my extra coat, hat. Just enjoyed it. Sometimes it's nice to take a minute to enjoy what you do or enjoy the view. Right here, we're just removing the covers. Here's New York City. Here's why I love going to this job site. I honestly do. Every time they call, I sign myself up. I always find myself going up to the roof. And naturally, all the equipment is on the roof, so we always need to be on the roof. But I always enjoy going here. Removing the covers. I was here the day prior, where I troubleshooted the equipment, found the inducer motor not responding or seized. I also got some flame sensors, some igniters, and you'll see me do simple maintenance on the combustion cabinet or the heating cabinet for this York unit. So this client also does most of their own work as well. They'll call us out in something what would be major to them or something that they can't handle, and that's what we're here for. That's the igniter wire. Tighten it up. I tightened it up a little bit more. I tightened it up is probably not the best way to explain it. I just finagled the plastic that holds it together, so that it doesn't heat up from the flame. Look at that view. Just look at that view. It's amazing to be out here. So I just need to run down to my tool bag. So I left my tool bag a level down. It's much easier. Such not that much work. What I'm doing there now. So I typically run down, grab what I need, and go back up. Overall, I have a little carry bag, which is easier to carry. If you don't carry bag, it's nice.
Best city in the world.
Just look at that view. So no one will speak for you guys, just so that you guys can enjoy the view just as much as I do. Look at that. I'm not even paying attention to my work. I'm looking at the view, but it's really nice. No matter where you are, nothing like New York City. Nothing like New York City. It's the best city in the world. America is the best country in the world. Can't go wrong.
That's it.